If you like soups, but each time you have one you feel like something is missing, no matter how good and rich the stock is, then it's easy, you have a crouton deficiency. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can cure this and forever have the most satisfying soup experience. All jokes aside, a good crouton can make even a mediocre broth taste fantastic. So let's make a batch of homemade croutons. If you've seen any of my other videos and you decided to come back for more, then I assume that you are finding some value in them. If that's the case, please bless me with your kindness by subscribing to the channel, as it helps me grow and become better. In return, I promise to bring you higher value content each time. Thank you very much. The ingredients are household staples, so you won't have to spend any extra money to make this recipe. All that you'll need is 300 grams of 2-day-old bread, 40 milliliters of olive oil, a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Now I should also advise you not to prepare too many of them, because by the next day most of them become soft and unsatisfying, losing all of the crunch. It's such an easy thing to do that you can just whip a batch just before you're serving your meal. When it comes to tools, what you'll need is a baking tray, baking paper, a large bowl for mixing, and of course an oven. The prep is minimal and it revolves around cutting the bread into the size that you like the most. If you prefer cubes, then make sure the slices of bread are around 2 centimeters thick so that you end up with some nice chunky cubes. Cubes are the most known form for the croutons, but if you like to dip them into a stew or even into a soup, then I would cut them longer, just like mini breadsticks. Now that we have everything prepared, in a large bowl, add the freshly cut bread, the olive oil, the salt and the pepper, and mix everything together until all the ingredients are fully incorporated and the bread has soaked up all the oil. Once you're happy with the result, pause and heat up the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, line a baking tray with baking paper and spread the croutons in one even layer. Once the oven is at temperature, put the croutons in and bake them for 7 to 10 minutes, keeping an eye on them after 7 minutes and making sure that you take them out once they are golden brown. Then take them out, let them rest for 5 minutes, and they are ready to take a dive into your soup. And speaking of soup, croutons truly are a soup's best friend. No matter if you're sick with the flu and your wife prepared you the best chicken soup ever, or you're enjoying some funky sour East European borscht, the croutons are a welcomed guest to any soupy meal. I mean, look at them, happy as a duck on a pond. If you found this video useful in any way, please like it and share it with others. Also, please consider becoming a member of my YouTube channel, as any contribution helps me tremendously. And until next time, stay healthy and eat your croutons.